fasten it, simply lift the metal flap. Please fasten your seatbelt before takeoff and landing and when the seatbelt sign is turned on. If needed, seatbelts for infants will be distributed by your cabin crew. For safety reasons, we advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted at any time on board. Smoking in the lavatories is dangerous and may activate a smoke alarm. Passengers found smoking on board may be prosecuted. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. Pull the mask towards you and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers requiring assistance. Your life jacket is located under your seat. If needed, remove the life jacket from the pouch and pass the jacket over your head. Pass the strap around your waist. Clip it into the center buckle at the front and tighten. Only inflate your life jacket at the exit door. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. Alternatively, blow into the inflation tube. There is a light for attracting attention. Infant life jackets will be distributed if required. In case of emergency, when you hear the command, brace, brace, you should adopt the brace position. Put your feet together flat on the floor and slightly backwards. Bend as far forwards as possible. Put your hands on your head, one on top of the other, with your forearms tucked in. Please note the emergency exits on this aircraft. To evacuate the aircraft, follow the illuminated escape path markings. The emergency exits are marked with exit signs that are shown on the screen and safety briefing card. In an emergency, you must follow the orders given by the crew. The safety briefing card is in your seat pocket. Please read it before we take off. For further information, contact one of your cabin crew. Finally, please check that your seatbelt is fastened, tray table is secured, and your seat back is in an upright position for both takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a very pleasant flight.